welcome back to your next challenge. So now that we've got all of the blueprints and all the logic for the next bit of the gameplay set up, we need to kind of set it up for gameplay, don't we? So you can see I've moved the teleporter and all the different bits and bobs from this starting area because we don't want them there. We want to give the player a bit of a level to go through, a bit of a critical path. So this is the first part of your challenge, to place things around the level in an interesting way. So you can see that what's going to happen here is the player's going to need to jump down. They're going to go through here. That's going to cause the explosion. And then they're going to go past where I've hidden the antenna. And at the moment, they won't be able to pick this up. And what I've done is just put it near some other objects just to make it blend in. It's just going to look like random planet debris, let's say. So then they're going to keep being able to explore. They can go here. I've also hidden the battery is just there. And we've got some more random bits of debris. I just put another thing here, because why not? And then here's a teleporter, some more debris, and we're going to set this up as you'll see in the next chapter when we start doing audio. There's going to be a bit of narrative. So there's a reason that this is placed here, and it's to do with this building. It's like an old lab that was on the planet. So I've got my teleporter at the end of the level. They're going to have to go here, then realise that they've got to go back for the battery. And then they'll go back. They still won't be able to teleport. Go back for the antenna, which is over there. Come back, and then they'll be able to teleport. So that's your first job. Your second job is add some details to the level if you want. You're going to at least need a building like this. So I'll show you what this one is. It's called Sci-Fi Building Entrance. It is available for free, which is why I've included it. It's by this guy called Roy Souza or Sousa. Apologies if I've said that wrong. He's got some other cool stuff on there, and I've taken some of his other assets and put them in the level, as you can see. So that's that one. So we're going to put that in there as well. You can see the other things that I've got in here. Let's just go to the fab folder. I've added this ceiling window and frame is actually what I've used for the door. There's a crate. There's the building entrance. I've got a transport case. What else have we got? A container, a barrel. Just bits and bobs to liven up the joint. Okay, so that's 2 challenges so far. Distribute the puzzle pieces throughout the level, and then create a bit of an environment for those to be kind of housed in, like this little bit here where the lab is. And then the final thing is to comment anything that isn't commented so far. So you can see I've commented here, set the health in the game instance, and fade the camera and wait 2 seconds. Anything like that that needs commenting, go through and add the comments. And that's it. Once you've done that, you will have succeeded in your challenge, and you'll be ready for the next chapter where we're going to add some audio to this, and this will really start to tie the narrative of the piece together as well. So I will see you there. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. If you'd like to help me create more content like this, please consider becoming a patron on Patreon. The contributions I get through Patreon make a huge difference in keeping this channel going. Remember to like, comment and subscribe to make sure you don't miss my upcoming tutorials. Your support and engagement mean the world to me and help my channel continue to grow. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one.